Get out, Bubba.
I'm trying.
Look at her. Look at her peeking.
What?
Can you catch on the left of my nose?
Yeah.
On the side? No, not there.
Oh, the left, sorry. Hold on, cuz.
Why are you singing so funny?
Why?
Because. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. No.
That's it. No. Well, I don't know what else to tell you. Don't hit my horse.
Ta-da! Beautiful girl.
Are you stuck? Did jalapeno lay on your foot? Uh-oh.